I'm like congested, so please forgive me of how I'm sounding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. How's it going? How are you guys? Trying to catch up on some videos and get back on track with uploading a normal schedule. Kind of took a break after Halloween, I think. I decided to go ahead and film a Bath & Body haul for you guys. They had like their big candle day deal going on, so I was like, let me go and stock up a little bit. Usually this is the only time that I will buy candles, when you see a bargain. Even, is it really a bargain though? Or are they just like really priced at the sale price? You know, I don't know. So I got some candles, got some plugins, and got some soaps and some body stuff. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Get the boring stuff out of the way. Body stuff. Guys, okay, so Victoria's Secret has it's called Vanilla Lace. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. It's like not too sweet to where it smells like you've bathed in cake icing, but it's sweet enough to be like you could have possibly slightly quickly bathed and cake icing. So I ran out of that. That was the last thing I was using. Always been a fan of the warm vanilla sugar. I went ahead and stocked up on these. They were buy 3 get 3 free, which I think they have quite often. I had used most of my lotions that I had stored away. Good old classic shower gel. I went ahead and just stuck with the same fragrance for all of these. Actually got 6, so I bought these 3 and got 3. This is the body cream. I really don't care for the lotion that's in the containers like this. I feel like it's not moisturizing. Like, it's very light. It's almost like watery lotion, if that makes sense. So I always prefer to get the body cream instead. Just super thick and heavy, and I really like it. I got the body spray. I tried the Diamond Shimmer Mist. Oh, it's a light shimmer. Or maybe it's just wet. A good classic smell. It works for everyone. Soaps, I think, were like 5 for $23, which they're probably like that all the time. Kitchen Lemon. This one is always a favorite of mine. I've actually never seen it in this packaging. Usually it's like a clear one. I think maybe they changed it because it's the holidays, but normally it's a clear one and it looks very springy and summery. I prefer this more. It's just a kitchen lemon, good old clean lemon scent. Ah, it smells so good. It kind of smells like cleaning products. Next one I got is Winter Citrus Wreath. I love the color of green. Like, I'm obsessed with this tone of green. It's so pretty. Kind of like you're making the potpourri on the stove, you know? It smells really nice, like garland and orange slices. Sparkling Snow, Icy Melon Holiday Pear and Falling Snow. This smells like bubblegum, actually. Why does this smell like bubblegum? Maybe the melon? Oh man, that smells like Bubblicious gum. But as I mentioned before, I just like the containers that are holiday themed and not summer and spring and just a ray of sunshine. I like them to look a little gloomy. So with the Winter Citrus Wreath, we have Balsam Wreath, Fresh Citrus, and Forest Breeze. Winter Candy Apple. This scent just makes me feel like a girl. It makes me feel like a kid, like a teenager. It takes me back to good old memories, you know? I just love it so much. I'm sure you guys have smelled the Winter Candy Apple. Last year, that's what I used as far as like body spray and lotion during December last year. It's such a good one. It's just so festive and it just makes you feel so like jolly. I really love it. It's Red Apple, Winter Rose Petals, and Candied Orange. It's a good one. It's just a good one. You can't go wrong with it. The next one is the good old classic Vanilla Bean Noel. This stuff is, Christmas is just fun. Fresh Vanilla Bean, Warm Caramel, and Sugar Cookies. This would be a good one to do in the body products as well, like the lotion, the body wash, and the spray. It's more of a foodie one, I guess you could say. When I was checking out, like, I always get paranoid that they're not gonna scan my stuff or that the system's not gonna know to scan the stuff and pick up the promos. I almost saved like $200. Is that crazy? This is the time that I buy this stuff and then I try to like stretch it out a little bit in the months coming. So the next items I picked up are the refills for the plugins. I really do like the Bath & Body plugins. Before, I was using Yankee Candle plugins. I love those ones too, but the past few years I've been getting the Bath & Body ones just because there's more, they have more of a variety of the refills, I think. So I just picked up all repeats that I have tried before because I really enjoyed them. Normally I go for like cinnamons, vanillas, pumpkins, and then for Christmas I like doing like cranberry and pine fragrances like those. So this one is the Frosted Cranberry. This one is really good. I don't know if it tells me the exact, Bath & Body, you're just amazing. Even having the notes on the label. Thank you so much. So this is the Frosted Cranberry. It's so cute. Has a little bear dancing. Okay, iced cranberries, blonde woods, and red apple. This one is one of my favorites. I love having that in the candle as well. Had to do fresh balsam. I just love the smell of balsam and pine and Christmas tree. It's just so clean but comforting, if that makes sense. So I had to pick this one up. This one is Woodland Balsam, Crisp Eucalyptus, and Fir Branches. So good. I picked up the Winter Candy Apple, Crisp Pear, and Oranges. And then I went with the classic cinnamon stick. I love cinnamon just because I feel like it's so strong. It really has a punch to it. It's really good to mix with other fragrances. Like you could do cinnamon and pine, cinnamon and vanilla, cinnamon and orange. I just need to be a little fragrance mixer gal. I love cinnamon so much. It's just a classic one. It's good for all year, I think. It's really great for Christmas, works for Halloween. It's just nice and cozy, you know? So with that, you get, let's see, spiced sugar, vanilla, and is it Ceylon cinnamon stick? Got another Frosted Cranberry. These I didn't get a lot of just because I was like, well, let me use them for Christmas right now. Let's get to candles. Let me know. I know a lot of the fragrances that you guys enjoy burning, especially for Halloween, are like the pumpkins, the woodsy ones. So let me know. Is it me or do I just not pay attention enough? I feel like these candles used to go on sale more frequently than they are now, but maybe I'm just not paying attention. Maybe it's like they're always on sale for 11 or 12 most of the time. Check their Facebook page because everyone in the comments will always let you know when the next thing is coming up. Had to grab these candles, especially being under 10 bucks. Like, are you joking? The throw on these candles is so amazing. They smell so strong. The only thing I wish they weren't 3 wicks because I burn my candles so fast. I love burning candles. I love having multiple candles going. I like having them on all the time. If I was confident that my apartment would not burn up, I would sleep with all the candles lit. I really love them. They just really bring me peace. They make me feel comforted, and I just love them. Looking back now, I wish I would have got maybe 30 more. Picking up 2 of the spiced apple toddy candles. It smells so good. It's just like cinnamon, orange, like cider. And the spiced apple toddy, it's warm apple brandy. Spiced plum, tart cranberry, cinnamon stick with essential oils. It's good for October, November, December, January, and even February, I would say. I did find a lonely sweet cinnamon pumpkin, so you guys know I had to grab it. I love the sweet cinnamon pumpkin from Bath & Body. It's just so good. It reminds me of when I was a kid, when I would go to Michael's with my mom, or I've told you guys, it just reminds me of my mom. So I really like it, and I really love the color on that. So with this one, you get warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, vanilla cream, brown sugar with essential oils. This one is Frosted Cranberry. I got this in the plug-in. This reminds me of my grandparents when I would used to go to Emporia to visit them. They also lived in Seattle for a really long time before they moved back. It smells so good. Piney, and you get a little bit of cinnamon. So with this one, you get red apple, rich red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedar wood. This one is so good. Comparable to the red apple wreath at Yankee Candle, but I prefer this one a little bit more. It's not, I don't know, I like the pine in this one, like the cedar. It's really nice. Ugh, it smells so good. I already started burning this one. This is fresh balsam. I just love the label on this. Reminds me of Home Alone. I just watched it last night, but it's just so beautiful. This is like the perfect candle to burn if you are not having a real Christmas tree. It'll make your house smell so good. Just fresh, crisp Christmas tree. It's so good. This one has woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, cedar wood. So a lot of the things I got in the refills, I got in the candles too, because it's really good just to layer on them. And all of these fragrances, I have always mixed and matched them, like using them at different times at the same time. It literally just smells like a Christmas lodge. It is so fantastic. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this Bath & Body haul. Let me know what you're burning. Let me know, did you go to the candle day at Bath & Body? What are your go-to body products? Thank you so much for watching. Sorry I sound like I'm going to cough something out of my nose and my mouth. If you guys want more Halloween happy and want to see what I'm up to, be sure to check me out on my social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. All the links are listed down below, so all you have to do is click them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and help my channel out. It would mean so much. If you have not, be sure to subscribe to this channel. That way you know when there's a new video out. Definitely getting back to my regular schedule of posting videos, so I hope you guys can hang around. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.